The program follows a relatively simple format. We front-load a lot of informational pieces about fascia, biotensegrity, best use practices and modifications with the role model balls. You'll learn 9 techniques that we use throughout. You'll also get a little bit of instruction about breathing and mindset, and then we dive into the practices. The majority of the video is practice heavy, and so we go through 6 of the cardinal lines, and within those lines, you'll go through an anatomy lecture with Tom, and then that will be followed by a journey through each line using micro check-ins and rollouts for different locations along each train.
And we've been careful to give you a complete set of context to understand why you're doing what you're doing, as well as what you're doing. This is all going to be pictured for you, and you'll see how it's going on the body. We will use the anatomical terms because a lot of professionals are looking at this program and wanting to apply it in their practice, and therefore we use the terms that physiotherapists and other people in this realm use. But I think you'll find that it's pictorial enough so that that inner sense will go with you, whether or not you know the names.
You'll develop a felt experience of your anatomy, and developing a felt experience is really a process of entering into that spatial medicine concept. So this is an anatomical, embodied anatomical tour.
We live inside a shell that we make. This kind of program can help take you back, what paleo diet does for your diet. This is taking you back to your own paleo body.